Snipers, you have to see what's happening in the Bitcoin price this Sunday, as I just got on-chain analytics showing that in the last 24 hours, $3.6 billion worth of USDT has come onto exchanges. This is the most amount of USDT that I have ever seen come onto exchanges. And what's really interesting about this is, for those in our Discord group, we sent out a signal to buy Bitcoin at 28,300, which has hit 2 profit targets already, with Bitcoin currently above 30,000 US dollars. And our thesis for taking this trade was that when Luna USDT hit $0, that was the reason we saw Bitcoin come below 30,000, and that if Luna were to hit $0, the outcome was already clear that Bitcoin could now start its recovery. And what's very interesting about that thesis is Bitcoin since then has not tested 28,300 or any price levels below it. Matter of fact, as soon as Luna hit $0 US and it lost all of its value, is when we took that long position within a few minutes of that happening, because it was something we were waiting for. I was staying up all night to make sure I can get that signal out to for those in the Discord. And we have the #1 cryptocurrency signals in the world, as you all know. So what does this mean for Bitcoin? Well, you can see Bitcoin looks really good on the weekly candle that's about to close here in 2 hours and 30 minutes. We didn't come and test this 200-week moving average, but for Bitcoin against the money supply, we got very close to the 200-week moving average, where we know institutional investors are going to want to have some long-term positions in Bitcoin. We have billions of dollars worth of USDT entering exchanges, more than I've ever seen. And so I thought things could look better than they do right now for Bitcoin. And what's very interesting about this as well is a lot of people are saying, oh, well, USDT is coming out to exchanges because it's deep pegged. Well, who cares? That's exactly why Bitcoin will start to see USDT come into its market cap, because that's a great narrative for Bitcoin to see upside. I'm glad that USDT is deep pegged so that people can get out of USDT and go into Bitcoin. So I'm not surprised. None of you that have been tuned into the channel are surprised to see Bitcoin right now back over 30,000. As a matter of fact, I'm expecting Bitcoin to hit 34,788 this week. And so we could potentially have a bottom on our hands. I certainly got a very strong position at 28,300. That's why we sent it out with low risk. And so if we come to test 35,000, that's the major resistance that we want to get above. And that's what we're going to have to fight to get above. The weekly candle's closing with a potential bottom with the symmetry that we're closing with. And so that's a very positive thing. And it looks like we've made the case that we tested the 200-week moving average based on the money supply chart. So if Bitcoin starts to see any sort of weakness, I will address that and get another video out. But for now, DXY starting to top out, calming down. This could be the bottom for Bitcoin and also for altcoins. So that's a very good thing. As a matter of fact, what's also very interesting is if we look at something like Cardano, you can see it actually tested its 2018 all-time highs already. And so you can see that could certainly be a bottom there for Cardano. I mean, a lot of these altcoins are already 50% up from their bottom that they recently formed. Look, Cardano 50% up right now from the bottom at 38 cents, now at 58 cents. So yeah, finally, we've been waiting for this. For those tuned in the channel, we have the #1 cryptocurrency technical analysis on the internet. No one does it better than us. We have the best signals in the world. I stay up all night to make sure that I can get you guys the best and most accurate technical analysis, and we factor in fundamentals, technicals, and things of that nature. So I'm out here enjoying nature, actually, and I'm just gonna take a couple more deep breaths, and I think that we did some of the hard work, and now it's time to just let the markets reap us the benefits of the hard work that we've been putting in here on the Snipers channel over the last few weeks. So smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you support this content, Snipers, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy Sunday. Snipers out.